Who is Kamala Harris and what does her selection to run for US vice presidential post mean? US Democratic nominee Joe Biden had earlier and recently announced that Senator Kamala Harris will be his running mate for the post of Vice President of America. This announcement has triggered a wave of excitement in not just United States but also in two other countries, Jamaica and India, from where her parents belonged and came from. This is for the first time that an Asian American and also first time that the woman of color is going to run for the White House in American history. Kamala Harris's mother Shyamala Gopalan was cancer researcher in America. She had participated in several black rights protests and movements in the US. Her mother Shyamala Gopalan had migrated to study science in the US in 1958 from Tamil Nadu in India. Kamala Harris has been visiting her grandparents' home in Tamil Nadu regularly since childhood and has often spoken about her Indian origin and heritage. Harris says that she has been very comfortable about her identity starting from young age. She believes that her biracial identity makes her very qualified to fight for rights of the people who have been ignored in America from so long. Harris was the first South Asian American to become US Senator. She is 55 years old senator representing California. Her upbringing has been closer to the field of black studies, leaders and cultures. She has studied at historically black college and university in US. Her announcement is important because Asian Americans only account for 5% of the electorate in comparison to 13% of black voters. The race for the White House has been fixed on black and white politics, but now Asian Americans have started showing and making their presence. Actually, this choice of Kamala Harris for the vice president's post says a lot about shift in American politics. The protests that erupted in May this year had given a call to go for a black person for the post of vice president. Kamala Harris has served for around 4 years in the Senate earlier. She was the first black woman to be district attorney in San Francisco and also the first Asian American black woman attorney general in California. She is a lawyer turned politician. Former US President Barack Obama once described her as a trailblazer. She had launched a presidential campaign for the US elections in January 2019, but she had to withdraw from the campaign as it did not take off well. She had endorsed Joe Biden earlier. She has been very vocal about police reforms and changes in the legislation since the George Floyd protests and event. She has remained more engaged and involved in domestic politics in US. In the past, Kamala Harris has spoken on Kashmir, CAA protests and many other things. She has also spoken in favor of immigrants in US. She was against Trump's ban on Muslim immigrants. Kamala Harris has also spoken against China's human rights violations against Uyghur Muslims. She has spoken in favor of LGBTQ community rights and for gun reforms. But she has also been criticized by the Sikh community. In July 2019, a group of Sikh activists had launched an online petition asking her to apologize to the community for allegedly defending a discriminatory policy in 2011 that prevented state prison guards from keeping beards for religious reasons. She will be the first Asian American and black woman to be the vice president of United States if she wins elections.